This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 5T. Now this one has been upgraded to Android 8 Oreo, and this one has a Snapdragon 835 and 8 gigs of RAM, versus the Huawei Mate 10 Pro with a Kirin 970 and 6 gigs of RAM. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! Go to About Phone on the 5T and go on the Android Oreo Easter egg. Who doesn't love Oreos? And calamari. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear the background on both. There's nothing on the Mate 10 Pro already. Let's get started with the phone app. Okay, messaging, very similar on both. Got the camera. Ooh. Pretty much the same. Give you an idea of the performance overall, opening your basic applications. Nice and snappy, as you can see on both. Go on left and just leave it there. We have eBay installed on both. Nice and snappy. Click on this Ring Wi-Fi video doorbell thingy. Leave it right there. Amazon shopping on both. Ooh, a little bit faster on the right. Leave it there. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Ooh, pretty much the same. Maybe the 5T by a split second. Speed test app. Go ahead and change the server on this one. Start out with the Mate 10 Pro. There you go, very similar speeds on both phones. Mario Run on both. Both are loading. Which one will go out in front? And we have the 5T a little bit ahead. Tap to begin and stop the game. Subway Surf. Looks like we're going to Tokyo on this one. And the 5T a little bit ahead. We'll tap to play. Stop the game. Temple Run 2. Blazing Sands on this one. Both are loading. The 5T is a little bit ahead, I think. And yep, 5T will take the win on this one. Go ahead and play just a tad. Stop the game. Do the same thing on the Pro. Angry Birds 2. Both are starting up and logging in. And the 5T is out in front. Will the Mate 10 Pro catch up? No, it does not. And the 5T will take the win on this. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Both are pretty much even. 5T's now out in front. And I think the 5T's ahead, yup. 5T's out in front. Close the game right there. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the 5T. Here comes the Mate 10, but I think the 5T will maintain its lead and will take the win on this game. So when it comes to the gaming apps, I think the 5T is a little bit better. Go ahead and open Twitter on both, and that's about the same. And Snapchat, 5T slight lead on this one. So let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything is in the background, as you can see. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go with Twitter first. There you go. CSR Racing 2, ready to resume on both. See, we have GTA here, ready to go. Angry Birds 2, right where we left it off. Temple Run 2, ready to resume as well. Subway Surf, same thing, ready to resume. Very nice. Mario Run on both. And both are going right where we left it off. Very nice. We have the speed test app ready for another speed test. Acrobat Reader, there you go. Amazon Shopping. Ooh, what's going on with the 5T? That was a refresh. Interesting. 8 gigs of RAM, come on. Ooh, what's going on with eBay? A little bit of a refresh, but remember what it was. So a little bit of a stutter on the 5T, nothing too bad. Play Store right on left. The clock on both, ready to go. Calculator right there. The camera, there you go. Messaging, there you go. And the phone app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Huawei fan? Do you like Huawei phones? Like this Mate 10 Pro, the Mate 10, the Mate 9 from last year was a pretty good phone. Did you like the Nexus 6P from like a couple years ago? Or are you team OnePlus, rocking the OnePlus 5T, the OnePlus 5, or even the OnePlus 3T from a while back? Those phones having 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.